Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a front splitter for a Hot Wheels die-cast custom. You'll be needing a Hot Wheels car base, super glue and a little bit of paper like this. So let's get into this. You also need scissors, by the way. That's it with me, let's go. So right here we are drawing an outline of the base onto the piece of card, just with a bit of pen. I never mentioned the pen, you can just do free cut if you want, but you just got to do an outline of it, and then just draw an outline of the base, and then we'll show you what to do next. Next, this is the part where you actually have to use the scissors, and the only part, so you can put your scissors away if you want to. Also, you'll have to do this process twice, or you can just be daring and do one piece of card instead of two, or three. Which 3 is better, but 2 is good, it's alright. So, this is how you do it, I guess. So now, to glue them together, you just have to put 2 little globs of super glue on each side. Try not to get it on your hands, otherwise it could stick them together. So just glue on. I did get it sort of on my hands here, but you can sort of see the glow of it. Sorry about the camera shot, it's not that good. Then you just get the other bit and just glue it on and just press it down. Try not to get it on your hands, otherwise it could cause irritation. So that's me gluing it. So for the fitment part, you just want to do 2 little globs of glue on the edge of the base. Then you want to put the lid back on the super glue, otherwise it'll dry. Grab your front split and then pick it up with tweezers if you like. I'll just do it with my hands. And then just glue it to where you use the super glue, just like that. Press it in to secure it. It's not the best, but you can trim it into place. But if we just put it onto the car, that's what it looks like. It's alright. This is my A86, by the way. That's what it looks like. Right, thank you for watching. I showed you how to make a front split today. Hope you enjoyed. That's it from me, and I'm out. Goodbye.